All right, now we are on page 22. Let's go over some examples together. Example, use properties to find 36 plus 37 plus 51. So step one, you're going to line the numbers up by place value. 36, 37, 51, they ordered them from least to greatest. Step two, change the grouping. Think adding 37 plus 51 first would be easier because there is no regrouping needed. So they said, oh, well, I can put these two together and do some mental math. 7 plus 1 is 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. So I can do some mental math there. Then I can take these numbers and group them in step number 3. 36 plus 88. 6 plus 8 is 14. Carry the 1. 8 plus 3 is 11, plus 1 is 12. So 36 plus 37 plus 51 is 124. Now try this. Use properties to add. So A, find 11 plus 16 plus 19 plus 14. Whoa, we have 4 add-ins here. And it gives you an example. It says to think. Use the commutative property of addition to change the orders. What order is going to make it easier for me to do some mental math and do some adding? So they took those 4 add-ins and they looked in the ones column and they said, well, I can group these. If I put them in this order, it makes it easier to make a set of 10. And I can group these. If I put them in this order over here, it makes it easier to make a set of 10. And mental math, 10 and 10, makes it much easier to add to get 20. Put the 0 on the bottom, carry the 2. Now we add 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So using commutative property, I changed the order, but I got the same answer, and I made it easier by grouping my ones in sets of 10. Let's look at sample B. Find 17 plus 33 plus 45. Oh, and you see these parentheses. This tells me I can use associative property to change my grouping. Normally we would group these first, but to make it easier to do some mental math, we are going to change the grouping. We are going to change it to 17 and 33 right here. Because I know that 7 and 3 is 10. And there's my set of 10s. I would carry the 1, 3, 4, 5, and 17 and 33 give me 50. Then I'm going to take these and I'm going to add them together. 50 plus 45, 5, and 9. See how I can change the grouping, but I'm going to get the same answer as if I solved it in a different way. All right, share and show. It says to find the sum, sum, the answer to an addition problem, and write the addition property that you used. Here's step 1, 46 plus 55 plus 24. If this is step 2, and they're saying, I'm still using the same add-ins, but I'm going to group them in a different way. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 4 and 1 is 5, and 5 and 5 is 10, plus 2 is 12. So what property did I use to find the sum? I used commutative property. I changed the order of the add-ins, and I would get the same sum as if I did it just as they were in step 1. All right, step 3, if I have 55 plus 46 plus 24, I'm grouping them first. 6 and 4 is 10. 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. So I'm taking that 70 and I'm going to add it to 55. 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. This time I used associative property. I grouped them first and then I added them to get my sum. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you are going to head over to your assignment. Take a look at the slide. You are doing problems 4 through 12. Watch the video first, then do 4 through 12. All right. If you have any questions, ask in your Zoom.